What happens when they don't fit really well is that you might end up with a lot more neck pain. I know, who would have thought? During this COVID-19 time, everyone is required to wear a mask, right? Go Gators. I know that's what you were staring at. So in this time, everyone's wearing a mask. And the great thing about this mask is that it ties. So I can make sure that it fits me really, really well. So it doesn't slip on and off. The bad news about this mask is that it ties. So every single time I put it on, I gotta tie it and untie it. Well, what I'm gonna tell you is that a lot of these masks, they'll have the hooks around the ears or there's some kind of elastic. What happens when they don't fit really well is that you might end up with a lot more neck pain. I know, who would have thought? So this is what happened. One of my friends who works in healthcare called me and was like, my neck and shoulders are killing me. And she goes, I don't know if this makes any sense, but I think it's related to wearing a mask all day. Because she works in like this big hospital and she has to keep that mask on all the time. She's like, I don't know if it's related, but like my face hurts and my neck hurts and my shoulders are starting to kill me. What do I do? So I want to share with you a story that I shared with her, because she's like, I'm trying to massage and everything, and because I'm massaging, it's killing my arms too. So first and foremost, I think, well, we should all have a gator mask. Just one of the things is make sure your masks really fit you, and I think that can be hard if you have the ones that tie. Maybe there's some way for you to tighten it or hinge it back there. And she's like, Long, I've tried it all and it still bothers me. So she's like, I'm trying your chin tuck. So if you haven't seen that video on the chin tucks, I give you some tidbits on it. So it's not just a chin tuck, but it's like how to do the chin tucks correctly so that you can actually get rid of your problem. But she's like, I need to do something because every night I go home and it bothers me. So let me show you what I was telling her. Yes, you can massage, but if you're massaging, like you can massage your temples, right? So all of our scalp, they're all muscles under there. They're just thin muscles. They're not like muscles like our biceps and triceps, which are thick muscles. We just have like lots of thin little muscles, like all right here. So what you can do is you can massage, right? You're thinking, oh, I'm like right around my jaw. I can massage right behind the ear. Right behind the ear, we've got some muscles there that are real tight. And if you touch behind that ear, you can find that muscle behind your ear and it can go all the way down your neck. But guess what? If I'm doing it like this, it's going to like make my arms feel really tired if my arms are already tired. So get on. This is a great one to do when you go to sleep and also when you wake up, right? So one of the things you could do is lay down, right? So you're gonna lay down to do your massage because gravity is helping you not have to use the muscles of your arms so much, right? And you can then massage around those areas so that your arms don't have to work so much. That's one thing to do. And what you can do is you can go along the sides, like you can feel your like cheekbone, right? And if you touch around there, they're all muscles right there. So you can trace along those bones. You can trace along the bones up here in your temple, and then you can trace along the bones down behind your ear and around your jaw, right? Right around your jaw, right here. So if your mask is not fitting you well, oh, I dropped it. So if your mask is not fitting you well, then definitely see what you can do to fix it. But the other thing you could do is try and work some of the tissues out in terms of your face lying down. So that's the other second tip. And if you have neck and shoulder problems that were there before you were wearing a mask and now it's getting compounded and you're serious about getting help, then my name is Huang here at Hands On Therapy Services, and myself and my team can help you get rid of your neck and shoulder pain and help you get rid of it so that you can have lasting results, so that you don't have to keep suffering. If this video has helped you, then please leave me a comment, or if you're seeing this on YouTube, then hit the subscribe button.